So today we are working on Warrior 2 pose, Virabhadrasana 2, which is a standing pose. We are starting in Tadasana and stepping with the left foot towards the back. Right heel and left heel are aligned and the weight is between both feet. I am gently opening the knee towards the exterior on the right side, and also the left side of the pelvis is pushing towards the back, trying to keep a straight neutral spine, straightening the arms and taking a look towards the middle finger of the right arm, making sure that both arms are at the level of the shoulder, and gently breathing in and breathing out. If you don't know how many minutes we are gonna hold this for, we are trying to hold the pose for 1 minute, but of course there is no timer, so you can just count 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippis, and so on and so forth. This video is a little bit longer because I counted Mississippi. Otherwise, trying to place the shoulders back and down, opening the chest, creating space for a long breath in and breathing out, focusing the attention on the breath, taking a look towards the front hand, gently grounding through the feet and pushing the hips a little bit closer to the mat. I'm deeply breathing in and gently breathing out. Stepping back in with the left foot coming in Tadasana, big toes together, heels slightly apart, and stepping back with my right leg this time, pulling the belly button in and gently pushing the hips closer to the mat. Again, opening the left knee towards the exterior and also making sure that the left side of the pelvis is opening towards the exterior and the right side too. Deeply breathing in and gently breathing out, focusing on the breath, taking a look towards the front arm, making sure that both arms are open at the level of the shoulders, bringing the shoulder blades together and opening the chest, creating the belly button, pulling the belly button in and creating space inside the chest for a long breath in and a gentle breath out. This is the perfect moment to notice how many wandering thoughts we have when we are trying to focus our attention on one thing at a time. We are building strength through this pose, strength in the quads and in the calves, gently contracting the abdomen, pulling the belly button in. This pose helps us with lowering the high blood pressure, and if we have neck problems, then don't turn your head to look over the front hand. Just continue looking straight ahead with both sides of the neck lengthened. Deeply breathing in and gently breathing out. And stepping back into Tadasana, coming at the middle of the mat. Thank you. Namaste.